Well, I spent the day doing yard work, getting stuff cut, limbs and sticks picked up and piled, and garden spot. It's approximately 50 by 50. I'm going to have 2 or 3 rows of corn, 2 or 3 rows of green beans, 1 row of tomatoes, 1 row of cucumbers, 1 row of potatoes, 1 or 2 rows of green onions, some banana peppers, possibly some broccoli, just different things that this is going to be used for. But yeah, got the neighbor to come over with his tractor and till this up. The ground was very hard, but turned out to be some beautiful soil for planting. It's now to the point where I can care for it and till it with the rear tie and walk behind tiller to keep the aisles clear of weeds. But yeah, tomorrow I'm going to go pick up all the fencing. I'm going to use landscape timbers as fence posts, finish getting the rest of my seeds, my plants, and spend the day getting everything in the ground before the rainstorm comes away tomorrow evening. So wish me luck, and I'll keep you updated as it grows. See ya.